Good
guys,
morning.
good morning. We had a pretty okay. I slept off early. Alison was having trouble digesting the food which we had yesterday.
Yeah.
So yeah, the place was okay. Although in Panjim and all, you'll find good street food and like Goan carts and all. But here it was just not this because there was too much of fats in the sausages and which was not digestible, so we don't recommend it completely. You can try the kafrial, which was decent enough, but there are other eateries around St. Anthony's Church. You should do try. They have some amazing tandoori and all, which is in pocket friendly range.
Yeah, like the breakfast that we had, so it was feasible enough, and the taste was really good. And I didn't see the crowd near the cart, like what it was hyped or overhyped, maybe from the locals around. I can understand, but I would not recommend that place.
Exactly. So you'll have to see, like, balance and see in locations far away from the center. You might not find that good food on the cars and all, but definitely in Panjim, Kalangut, and Mapsa, you definitely going to find some good street food.
And for the ones who are seeing this video first time, we are referring to the Goan what is that? Goan food truck that we had gone last evening.
So this is the glimpse of what we had yesterday. The pav was really good. The poi was really good, but apart from that, the meat we did not prefer, and I think the kafrial only was good. So yeah, I mean we have bad experiences also. So we that's a part and parcel of life. So our today's plan is basically to go to Kalangut, go to Infanteria. This place is suggested by Hassan. Last time also he wanted to eat from here. After that, we are planning to go to Mapsa, go do some shopping for spices and all for my recipes, and also to take back something home. So let's see, we'll take you all through the tour of Mapsa and Kalangot and everywhere. So let's go, guys.
So we always park our scooties here. This one is ours. And that's the way out. And this is where we're staying on the second floor. Alan is ready for some Counter-Strike. See this? There's a nice bungalow opposite that no one's staying it, abandoned, like what it would cost to buy a bungalow like this. It's a good manifestation, right? So yeah, we have 5 minutes more left to reach. So there's 5 minutes more to reach Kalangut.
So Hassan has parked his bike there. It's 50 for 5 hours. Usually it's 6 hours. And that's Infanteria there. They have a whole complex now to themselves. And the front side they have kept the bakery and the restaurant. So this is Kalangut, guys. We come last year in the afternoon and it was pretty hot. But yeah, this time we thought of going to the beach first and then head for breakfast because we have a long day at Mapsa.
So last time we had come the December time we had parked the car around in that area. You can see a bunch of people sitting there. And I think for the car also they charge 100 rupees, I think, no? 100 something, yeah, I'm not sure. So actually I'm hungry, but I'm having a very bad headache because of last night, and I'm dicey about eating choris because of my experience yesterday. So now I just hope I find my accessories over here, because last night I couldn't find any accessories for men in Anjuna except for this cross. This is what do you call it? What is this material?
Brass.
This is brass. So yeah. So let's see if I can find some. The shops haven't opened yet completely. So सेल के नाम पे एक्चुअल प्राइस देगा. Superman. Yeah, so like I was saying, whether I'm in Andhra or whether I'm in Goa, right?
Buy one coming.
So Aline has already seen something she likes.
150 book. In Anjuna they were saying this. So what is this?
Last year, the rates were pretty steep for the same things. Now it has dropped down. I think the sale, maybe people aren't coming much, so that's why they must have lowered the prices as well. So we're gonna go to the beach first, and then on our way back, we're gonna see something to purchase. So we're approaching the beach now. They have a new Kalangut residency. I think this is done by the Goa Tourism Development Corporation, DTDC. There are many restaurants that have come up in this area. So yeah, we met across some tattoo artists, and he's telling me, sir, मैम का नाम ले tattoo करवा दो. I told नहीं, जल्दी टूट जाता है शादी ऐसा. Well, apparently I was just joking, but yeah. Then I seen some namunas getting their own name tattooed on them. So I like, क्या रे नाम बोलते क्या खुद का? No, thanks. So it was a good thing we came early in the morning. There are very fewer people.
Yeah, actually, no.
That was I think the last time it come was around, that was after 3 p.m. I think. That's why there are too many people across. There are too many water sports around.
I remove my top. Should have worn shorts. The water feels good actually. So we're done with the beach, and we're heading back to Infanteria now. And actually morning times the beach is a little empty early morning till 9, 10. After that it gets crowded. I think this is the best time to come. We really had fun. Took some good pictures. Dipped the feet in the sea water. Felt so good.
So we have come to a shop. So she's taking this earrings with reduction. We found something for Christmas. So finally we're in Infanteria, and there's a rush like I expected. So 2004, I guess 2004, 2003, when I'd come the first time in Goa, we used to stay at a resort over here, Tiklos Resort it was known. It was right, that's how we got to know about Infanteria. So let's check out, because I'm really hungry. It's 10:30 now. We were on the beach since 8 o'clock, I guess. No? Since 9, sorry, yeah, since 9. So yeah, pretty hungry, pretty famished, I guess. So we've ordered the Infanteria special breakfast, ham and cheese croissant,
And mushroom and chicken.
mushroom and chicken quiche, mushroom and chicken pie, and coffee coffee and pineapple juice comes along with it. We're just waiting for the breakfast now. So my chicken and mushroom quiche has arrived, and that is ham and cheese croissant. And I like the quiche more.
You're sharing it.
So yeah, we're sharing it any which way. So the breakfast is arrived. Yeah.
There's bacon strip, there's pork sausage, there's mushroom, veggies, beans, tomato, scrambled eggs, and bread. It's super yummy.
So we're done with our breakfast, and we're taking some breakfast parcel as well, some snacks parcel as well, because we won't be coming back this side. So we have taken one ham quiche, one cheese croissant, one prawns patties, one chicken patties, and Alini is saying something for herself. Maybe it's donuts. So we're going to take that parcel. We're going to head to Mapsa market now, and then we're going to have some lunch somewhere in the middle, and then heading home, because tomorrow we're going to South Goa. So we have to wake up early, and we like the breakfast here, and I always like the breakfast here. And yeah, Alina has changed her mind from Caravellas to Infanteria now. I was insisting the previous time as well, we should try this place out, but Ashley then, Ali's brother, he had also mentioned about Caravellas then. The breakfast over there is also good. But next time we're going to drag Ashley and Manisha to this place as well. So
We're almost reaching Mapsa. Trying to find a parking spot. We just fill some petrol as well, so that we don't run out while we are on our way. So we're already here. Alison is finding a parking, and yeah, we're just waiting to go inside. Wear my hat. It's pretty hot today. We carry a bottle of water as well.
So we're finally at Mapsa market. There was parking outside on the road, but I wasn't feeling too safe, because I've come to do shopping over here, not to pay the Scootiga price. So there is a parking inside in the streets where they charge 10 rupees. The parking charges are 10 rupees from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. So I felt it is safer to pay and park rather than keep it outside. They say that nobody will come and take it, but I've had bad experiences in Mumbai, and so now we're entering the market. So let's see what we have to buy now, because mainly we're going to be buying spices and cashews for us and for home people.
Yeah, I'm gonna try some masala, spices, cashew, whatever, like from here. It's vast, so we'll see as we go.
First we'll buy some water.
किलो दे
ना बच्चा पैदा नहीं हुआ रे तो किधर नर्सरी का बुक दे रहा है 100 100 है So this is a vegetable market, I guess.
Whatever.
काय गेली बाय This is the fruit market. Too many bananas. गोयंचे
आम्ही नुवेम आणि हां चिली खाता लास्ट टाइम हिंगा मिन्स ते मार्केट आसून गेले न्हू ते एकदम बरें नालोले
ही आमची लोकल बाय गांव किती ही तुका वरसभर कांय जायना तेका सुकून बी पावसाक दवरता न्हू
कितल्याचे
पावसाक
ते सेम आसा
सेम बाय सगळी सेम 1 2 3 सेम बाय सुकोवपाची गरज ना फक्त
आणि कोकम कशे
कोकम बाय 150 रुपीज फोर
बोला द्या न्ही
दोन पॅकेट
2 पॅकेट सेपरेट घालू मरे
हां सात ते अळसांद दे
हे बाय अळसाणे मोठे किती घालपाचे हा मोठे आता
एक पॅकेट हेपून दे
हां लोकांचे मरे कडी घालपाचे जाणाच होते
फिश करीन घालपाचें न्हू
फिश करीन घालपाचे बाय आणि हे खाव खाता तुम्ही हे पियो तुझे येईल सुकलाय
But actually had taken triple
काय
that last
न्ही बट
रेट जाय आपको
टॅमरीन गोळ्याचे
हय गोयची जाय तुका
टाको
ही बाय 100 4 गोळे
time. This one.
शंभरान कितले चार 5 दिन
5 जायना
घाल न्हू
ना बाय आमकां किती मेळोंक जाय
शंभर न्हू
We purchased whatever we have come here for. Now we're just looking around the market. Find something interesting, then we can get it. Otherwise, just exploring because we have enough time to kill. You remember this market? That was the other entrance. This is the main entrance where we came from.
This was the one?
Yeah. So last year we had come to the same shop to purchase cashews and todol, I guess, no? And the big. So Zantis. Welcome to Zantis.
And food dodol.
Alan is trying to buy the vinegar again from him. Yeah, one. You want something else?
This will have to be done.
The choices of pickles, raw sausages, and it's shop number 396.
Okay, how much? Go on. How much for volume?
Original 140.
No, I can't put it in this. I got all. So guys, we just finished shopping from Maksa. It's pretty hot and yeah, it's raining actually. We're going to head out for lunch at Uday Bar. A lot of shopping. We'll show you at home what all we got. And yeah, I mostly shop for masalas. Mom wanted some golden red rice and vinegar and all these things. So yeah, I got most of the things which we wanted, and now we'll head it out and we'll relax, have some lunch, and then head out home. With Aston already. So we are here in Seolim. We thought of having some quick lunch before we head back home. So in Seolim we are having lunch at Nilima Bar and Restaurant. So we have good fish and Goan fish thali and all these things. So we're going to try that out.
Actually, I'm not really hungry because I'm still stuck from the breakfast. So I'll see something light to eat. I don't want to stuff myself just because of the food. Because of my last night's experience, I don't want to spoil my tummy because we still have 2 more days in Goa and we're traveling tomorrow again. So let's see. We're going to enter now and let's see what's there for lunch. So we are at Nilima Bar and Restaurant. Earlier we were sitting down in the AC section, but I think they've newly painted the place. So Alina was feeling nauseous because of that smell. So we came on top. There's a bar sitting on top as well, and it's with a pretty good view. Look at this. So they have a very good seating area on top, and it's pretty windy as well. So it's not hot. You know, we felt it would be hot, but it's not. And Alina has ordered her kingfish thali. Finally, her fish thali is coming, and rava prawns. And I wasn't feeling so hungry because I had eaten a heavy breakfast at Infantry. So I've ordered a chicken manchow soup for me. Being pretty light on the lunch. We just want to rest it out in the afternoon and evening. Let's see if we can explore around before we give the scooty up. So my soup has arrived. It's yummy. Yeah, so I'm gonna munch on my chicken manchow soup. So Aline's rava fry prawns and fish thali is here. Kingfish thali. This is what she wanted since so long. It's finally here.
I'm so happy I'm going to eat authentic thali after long. I'm going to enjoy this, all the veggies, the fish is fried perfectly, so I'm just going to dive in.
So guys, we are back home.
Pretty tired, pretty exhausted. It was too sunny outside, but we had a fish thali, we had our lunch, and we are back over here. So yeah, now we are going to relax for some time and pack our bags. Tomorrow we are heading to South Goa, and yeah, we'll show you the place and everything over there. We're very excited. We have some 2 experiences or trails, as you say, organized. So we're going to show you that as well. For now, we're going to just freshen up and relax until evening, and then maybe we'll just head out evening to search for some food. And yeah.
Yeah. Chalo, see you all then.